Bryce from Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design, and this is Garden Space, and this is the Wave Petunia. The Wave Petunia is a variety of petunia that grows in waves of flowers, and they're really truly amazing because they seem to just bloom and bloom and bloom. Petunias are great in the garden. They grow very quickly. They have beautiful color, and a lot of them are what are called weather resistant, so they don't, when it's cold or dark, they don't close up and then only open up when it's sunny and dry. So you'll get continuous flowering from the Wave Petunias throughout the spring, summer, and even into early fall. They do require some watering, and it's a good idea to use a water-soluble fertilizer like Miracle-Gro every couple of weeks, and that will also encourage additional growth on them. So they usually come in pots. This is a 1-gallon pot from the nursery, and you could see how it's already starting to spill over. And the best way to pot these is either in a hanging basket like this one here. This one's gotten so big now. You'll see here where we've got this hanging basket. It's lined with a plastic liner and then filled with potting soil. And then there's also some bacopa, which is also a nice kind of vining spreading flower that's tucked in with it. And then when we first potted this, I would say we probably had 3 plants, and then it will just continue to grow and spill over through the summer. Do make sure that you are watering these regularly, especially when it's hot. The other thing that you can do with a Wave Petunia is to put them into either a box planter or a window box if you want to have the flowers spill over. And they make that really nice kind of European flower look where you've got just a lot of spillage of beautiful color. So I hope that gives you some ideas on how to plant your Wave Petunias. Enjoy them, enjoy the color, and if you have any other questions on how to plant petunias, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com. Thank you very much.